set back up again. Ready to rock here. We're waiting. We're good to go here. We're just waiting. It's later in the day. I should have came early, but I just didn't. I had some stuff to do. I was just talking to a guy. He said that there's elk and he saw deer earlier. So that's pretty cool. Look at this place. It's pretty cool. Doggos running around here. See what happens. Come another time. There's a spot just down the way though, a little more, and there's just eagles like crazy at the 19-kilometer area. That guy told me, so I might go there too. Where are you going? The water level didn't come up so high, which is good. I thought I was going to flood. Was I here? This way. All right, now we're heading to the 17th, 18th, and 19th kilometer in this logging road, up the logging road. So I think we're at like 5 or something now, not too far in.
of there. Hey, get out.
Holy. So this is, I don't know, a guy said down by the water tank, and I just went past this thing there. It said water tank, and so I think I gotta go down this path here. It looks like there's a trail. There's a water pot thing up there. Just walking in the worst places. See if I can climb up here. I got a camera in each hand. One's expensive, one is not. Okay, I see. I'm on the road here. Jesus. Walking around with this thing, bad. Well, I'm back on the road now, so I can get back to the truck and keep going up. I don't see any birds. I just was just talking to another guy too, and he said there's mountain lions outside of his truck, and he was down further. So I'm not going to camp there tonight, but I will be camping this way because it's so close. Actually, it's not even hard to get here. I think it took me like an hour. I have to really consider keeping the dogs safe, you know, because it's not. This is the cool place, man.